Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Venmo. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are starting to use Venmo. How do you actually go ahead and add money to it? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, let's open up Venmo. And then on the bottom right hand side, you're going to make sure that you're on the Me tab. Now from here, you're going to click on Add Money, which is right located next to Transfer. And then you can either transfer from a bank or debit card, cash a check, or a direct deposit. Let's click on from bank or debit card. Now once you do this, a series of buttons are going to appear. You can actually enter the amount here of how much you want to transfer, and then you need to click select debit card or bank. So right now I have this blurred out, but I have some bank accounts already connected. So you can add a bank by clicking on the add a bank or debit card. And then once again, you can add bank or debit card. So we're just going to select bank and then click on next, and it's going to log you into Plaid. So Plaid is actually going to connect to your bank account in which you'll have to log in. But that is essentially how to go ahead and add money to Venmo. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.